Hi, this is Amy from Versatility. Today is hot. The temperature here is around 35 degrees. But I need to work in the workshop to make a video for my customer for the shot blaster, dismantle and assemble together. Firstly, you need to dismantle the control box from the shot blaster. There are 4 bolts on the control box. Disassemble the connection wire from the motor. After that, dismantle the cable from the motor, and then you can remove the control box from the shot blaster. And then loose the bolt from here. Bingo! The control box is removed from the shot blaster. And then dismantle the screen and hopper system for storage and purifying the plastic media. There are fellows here.
那边
要装修吗？要装修吗？
这玩意
啊
不是，我不好吃。刚才你来的时候，你看着光有
啊，有个小柜我看着。下面几个螺丝。Three bolts under the hopper. Remove the clamp from here. Here is a circle of the sealing glue. You need to sealing with the glue during the assemble this part. Please note this. This system needs to remove the. Okay, and then remove the hopper from the short blaster. And then dismantle the bolt from here. And then dismantle the flange from here, which is 8 bolts and nuts. Please note, during dismantle the flange from here, the weak center of this part on the motor. So please fix the. Please be really careful about the second part, about this part for the motor. The weak center is on the motor, so it's very important for fixing the motor from the top to avoid any injury to the operator. 아,先这样。别跟他说。
이거는 뭐고? 그런 거 지금 방금 포장치라 네.